Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither, for f of x is equal to x times the absolute value of x. So if f is even, that means that f of negative x equals f of x. And if f is odd, that means that f of negative x equals negative f of x. So how do we find whether it's even or odd? Find f of negative x and compare it to f of x. So f of negative x equals, just plug in negative x times the absolute value of negative x. This is equal to negative x times the absolute value of negative x is the same as the absolute value of x, right? Since just multiplying by negative 1 doesn't do anything, since it's just going to become positive anyways. So this is equal to negative x times the absolute value of x. We could think of this as negative 1 times x times the absolute value of x. Therefore, this is equal to negative 1, but we don't have to write the 1. This, in the parentheses, is f of x. Therefore, since f of negative x equals negative f of x is odd. For f of x is equal to x times the absolute value of x.